What's going on, everybody? It's Mel Schmiller Jr. here, Dark Side of the Grill. We're here again with Canada Beef and episode 3 of Make the Most of Beef campaign. Today we're doing an eye of round, a whole primal eye of round, and broken down, this is exactly what you get. You get minute steaks, you get a big roast. We even got some beautiful quick sear steaks that we're marinating just like that. Let me show you how we got to this, shall we? Let's get it. Start with this sinew. The waste on this is virtually nothing. Virtually nothing. So every piece of beef off of this beautiful chunk is going into the freezer and onto our plates. These will be ready for tomorrow dinner time. Take about a minute to cook. We're gonna throw this on the big green egg real quick just to show you that this is in fact a minute steak, and it is in fact amazing, and it is in fact gonna taste fantastic. We broke down that whole eye of round primal. We cooked our minute steak, absolutely perfect. Where can you go to find out more? CanadaBeef.ca/Canada Beef Resources. I'm telling you, they are packed with recipes and other ways to break down other whole primals. Make sure you guys check it out. This is an absolutely amazing way to save some money in the beef department by taking this home and cutting it yourself. You get to inspect the quality of the beef, you get the cuts that you're looking for and the cuts that you know your family's gonna eat. Make the Most of Beef campaign, episode 3 in the wrap with Mel Schmiller Jr., Dark Side of the Grill. See you next time.